Welcome to AMS. Today in this video we will solve a set math problem. This problem involves with the square root problem. So let's begin our video. So our given question is, if a is equals to 5 under root 2 and 2a is equals to under root 2x, then find the value of x. So as given, 2a is equals to under root 2x and it's also given a is equals to 5 under root 2. In order to solve this equation, first we put this value of a inside this equation at the place of a. So what we will get? We will get 2 is same as before, but this a will replace with this 5 under root 2. And under root 2x will remain same. Now multiply this 2 with this 5 and we will get 10. Under root 2 is same as before, and we will break this 2 into x, which is inside the under root, in under root 2 and under root x. Now this under root 2 and this under root 2 will cancel out because it is this under root 2 is in multiplication. It will go to the other side of equation in other side of the equation in division, and it will be cancelled out. So now what we will get? We will get 10 equal to under root x. Now we will squaring on the both side of the equation, and this square will cancel out this root and we will get x, and square of 10 is equals to 100. So this is the value of x for this question. So I hope this video is very useful to all of you. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.